Bravo, Luc. And if we took a look and saw what's happening on the ground? And if our explorations took us straight to another visionary thinker, a town planner by trade, who works both in Switzerland and France? And if his project, which occupies him day and night, just by chance echoed Luc Schuiten's intuitions?
Mon rêve, quand j'étais petit,
I had a dream when I was little. I used to read Science et Vie. We tried to picture what life would be like in the year 2000. We imagined it would be extraordinary. Houses would be transparent bubbles. Automobiles would fly. I dreamed of a town like that when I was small. But in fact, when we reached the year 2000, it wasn't anything like that. In any case, did I dream the right dream? Does anyone want to drive? I'm working on a project called Crystal. It's a project that makes a point of not being too utopian. I mean, we're not trying to design a fully automatic vehicle that can handle all the problems cars have to face with barriers in all directions. It's a vehicle that goes on the road and is driven by the user. It's self-service, a sort of electric buggy. Yeah, that's right, you're going to have an accident. Careful. Straight on now. When you get there, stop at the pedestrian crossing.
Here? Yeah,
you can go a bit further. That's it. Stop. There's a station. People are waiting. You can take the next one after you've left yours. They can share the same vehicle. You'll see when you get your vehicle. I don't know if anyone realizes how much time vehicles are not moving. Between 95 and 98% of their lives. So they really clutter up the town, especially when they're not moving.
We've said it all. And don't forget, we waste a large part of our income on this four-wheeled lump of steel and plastic. And if our town planner compared his vision with that of the artist?
On occasion, I realized that town planning and mobility didn't go together, and that I couldn't combine the two things that interested me without trying to change it.
And if these two reinvented Descartes' famous phrase to better reflect our future, I move, therefore I am.
But by taking a different route, thinking outside the box, we can reach the same objective, sharing access to mobility.
I think it's important to conceive a new sort of town where the means of transport will be very different. We'll avoid the incredible problems that vehicles cause today, as they're just not appropriate. So imagine a much lighter vehicle. For me, weight is the key factor. Vehicles consume far too much energy because they're much too heavy, and they have to carry complicated machinery that is not needed in town. If we use an electrified rail, the vehicle can be much lighter. It can find its way more easily just following a rail. Change in direction can be achieved at points. The moment the rails go in a different direction, we can leave the rail. We can park if we want to or join a convoy. This offers a number of possibilities. It's flexible in particular, which is important for me. So this led me to imagine an automatic vehicle. If it's almost the only transport system, or at least has right-of-way in the street, the traffic problems can be more easily solved. It seems reasonable to me to imagine a system like that in service in 50 years' time.